Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to do a text in Sketchware project. First of all, we have to open Sketchware app. Then select Explore. And then create new project. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it my first project. Okay, create an app. Select layer. If you want to do several pages, you have to do it from here. Add a lot of activities. Right now we're gonna add one activity. Gonna name it text. Add it. We have selected the linear vertical, a match parent, light height. I'm gonna use 500 to make some space for buttons. Right now we're gonna add an image view. Match parent, light height match parent. Add the button for next page. I'm gonna name it next. Save. Text size 18. Text style bold italic. Text color black. Background color, choose whatever you want. I'll choose gray. Gonna match it with parent, light height match parent. It gives us this logic. First of all, we have to select our image. Add image from our gallery. Donald. Save. We'll create view. Select view. Set image view. Image view 1, select. Set image. Return back. Button 1. When button 1 clicked, select add compound. Next. Next. Okay, set screen. Enter set screen. Next, select set screen. Text activity. To go to the text activity. Then it's important to add start activity compound. Intent next. Now go to the text activity. Go back to view, linear, match parent, 500 to add the text, or to add some buttons, right? For 17, 170. Go back, text view, match parent, light height match parent. Text size 12 or 14. 12. Text style bold. Background color blue, light blue. Text color white. Good. I'm gonna add two buttons, one for the next and one for the back. Back button. First button. Back button. Size text 18, normal, no bold, italic. Background color gray. Next. Text size 80. Text style bold, italic. Background color gray. And you have to select light gravity and right. See, go to the logic on create, select view, text view, text view 1, select text view 1, add your text here. You have to just match your screen. You don't have this possibility to do a lot with this lot of text, you know. I know what I mean, man. Save, go back, compound, add compound, back. When the button one clicked, see screen agent, okay, back, see screen, main activity, and start activity, of course, back. For the other button, you have to have another main page, you know, to go to the other main page, right? Text 2, logic, button 2, compound, and the compound, next, name it next, start, agent, next, text 2 activity, start, next. Go back right now, save your project, run it. Within a minute, within a second, you're gonna be ready. Install it. Open it. This is our app, my first project, next. Ingredient, next. This is the second. So, our project is done. I hope you have learned something. And see you next time. Peace.